Hello everyone, this is Anand Prakash, and today we'll be speaking about essay writing in UPSC exam. As we all know, essay consists of 250 marks, which is a large portion for UPSC exam, and scoring high in this particular subject could actually make or break your career. This is something that a lot of UPSC aspirants are actually afraid of. When they hear essay writing, they feel scared. Okay, what am I going to do? How do I plan for essays? How do I start an essay? You know, what kind of, how do I complete the body? How do I write the perfect conclusion? And there are plenty of things that, UPSC aspirant gets scared of. But the thing is, essay writing is basic science. You can break down essay writing into multiple components and start mastering each of these smaller components. And once you start doing that, what happens is eventually you understand the bigger picture. You become more confident in writing essays and you even welcome essays. Because once you have mastered the science of writing the perfect essay, you can actually go ahead and use your knowledge, everything that you have learned, and express yourself in a way that makes the examiner sit back and take notice. The examiner should go like, wow, this is good, I should be reading this. And that is the whole point of essay, to make the examiners take notice of what you have, what kind of knowledge you bring to the table, and what are the things you're good at. So in the essay masterclass, we will be basically building through different blocks. We will be dissecting the entire essay, what to do, what not to do. For example, there are various misconceptions regarding essay writing. For example, a lot of people think that you should have a quote to begin with. Now the problem with quotes is how many will you remember, and how many quotes can actually come to mind under the pressure of the exam. What if the quote does not fit the content of the essay? What are you going to do? Are you willing to spend that much time just thinking of the right quote to start an essay? Or would you be willing to let go of the quote and start working with something else? In fact, there's a lot of different ways of starting the perfect introduction. The core essence of introduction, for example, is to get the person hooked. Now, there are multiple ways of doing that. You could begin with a rhetorical question. You could begin by presenting a fact that immediately grabs the attention of the reader, or you could start with an anecdote that is relevant to the topic. So if you do these kind of things, if you practice these different kinds of approaches to essay writing, you can have a very good grasp on the concept as well as the way of moving forward. But that's not all. There are multiple other problems like time management. How do you actually manage the time in writing those essays? Word management. How do you use that time and still remain under the 1200 marks, 1200 words limit? How do you move from one paragraph to the next? How do you prioritize your ideas? Which topics to pick? How do you break down the topics? What is the content that should go inside the body? What should you conclude with? How should you conclude? And how should you move from introduction to body and from body to the conclusion? So these are several problems that can be broken down into pieces and dealt with one step at a time. And that is what the essay masterclass is all about. In essay masterclass, we will be basically discussing each and every element of essay writing. We will be practicing live essay sessions. I'll be giving you live examples of how to write the perfect introduction, the body, the conclusion, and how to move from one step to the next. And through this 10-day period of essay writing, we will actually help you get over the fear of essay writing. You have to get over that threshold where you no longer are afraid of essay, but you actually welcome essay. You actually practice writing essays like it's a regular thing. And that is how the improvement will come. And week by week, day by day, we will move towards that ultimate goal of scoring 150 plus in essay. And believe me, it's possible. I have done it, I know the science behind it, and I can help you get that. And trust me, you can do it. So why not get started on the right foot? Let's start writing, let's start practicing in the right way, and I'll help you through each and every step of essay writing, so that when you sit for the mains exam, you're prepared, you're confident, and every word that you write matters. So do join me for essay masterclass, and I hope it'll bear fruits in time. Thank you.